Hi guys! So it's time for another unboxing video. These are PR items, maybe some things that I've ordered. I don't know, these parcels have been piling up for a couple of weeks, so let's see what I have. Nykaa, why do you spoil me so much? Ooh. Okay, so I have quite a pile here. I know these two are from the same brand. Gonna open this one first. What do we have here? Okay, this is not working, so I'm just going in with a good old rip it up. Ooh la la, we have something from Nike, guys. Very excited. Okay, what do we have here? Ooh, look at these beauties. Not that I need new running shoes, but new running shoes are always welcome because I need to start running. But these are beautiful. Like, I love the colorway. I love that it has so much orange on it. And yeah, let's see what's in the other box. Oh, we have a lot of clothes. Oh my god. Okay, there's like so much stuff, guys. I am very excited. I'm going to open all these bags and show you what Nike has sent me. So, thank you, Nike. I'm very excited. They have a really interesting run happening and I attended one of their events just before leaving for Bangkok and I had no idea this was in my mail. This is amazing. Okay, let's see what I got. I have hit a Nike jackpot, okay? Thank you, Team Nike. This is just like so much stuff, okay? Like, I have so much running here. It really would be a shame if I don't run now. Like, I love this, like for training, running, anything so beautiful. Love the color. I also have some really cute, tiny new running shorts. I've actually started running a lot in shorts, which I never used to do. I used to wear only tights, but now I wear a lot of shorts. This is my favorite. Like, how cute are these? Like, look at the design. Love them. Like, very cool. Like, I would just wear them out as well, you know, not necessarily to run. And then of course we have some really cool sports bras. This one with a zip detail, a dry fit, another dry fit. It's like I have everything in every color. Like, that's how much stuff they have sent me. It's insane. And we also have a really nice pair of these stretchy pants, which I can do yoga in once a year, but I will wear them like to just go out because they are so cool. And another sports bra. Like, what is this? Thank you. Up next, we have something from Drunch. It's quite a big package, and there's a box inside. What do we have here? Oh, this was a Women's Day package. Thank you. I'm a little late to the party because I was traveling. But what are these? Ooh, they're shoes. How pretty are these? I wish I'd opened these earlier. I could have worn them yesterday. They are really cool. Thank you so much. Love these. Then we have something that I actually opened thinking it was something else. These are my cool new Beats. Like, how cool are these? I haven't opened them yet. They sent me the orange ones, which I'm very excited to open. So, ta-da! Okay, like, these are like my dream headphones. They are orange. Everything is orange. Like, how beautiful are these? And they're ready to be paired. They're going pair me, pair me, pair me. I will. Thank you, guys. Up next, another huge box, and it's very heavy. I don't know what's in this. Maybe 2 boxes. It smells good. There's something that smells good in here. Oh, there are many boxes. This is from Samāh and it says a journey to wellness. This is seed cycling. phase 1, phase 2. I'm going to have to read up on this, or I'm going to have to give it to Weber and ask for instructions because he's the boss on all things healthy. But yeah, we have some of that. I think we have some saffron, which is always welcome. And we also have a herbal supplement. Okay, I'm going to definitely read up on all this. Thank you guys. Then we have something from All Universe Matters, and they have really cool packaging. Like, look at how beautiful this box is. Let's see what we have. So we have a t-shirt, I think, or a sweatshirt. Yeah. Look at that. That is really cool. I love the color. So there's another t-shirt as well. I think this one is Weber's because it's bigger. And then we have a sweatshirt, which is really cool as well. Like, look at that. So this is a new brand, and they've sent me some of their stuff, and actually I really like it. Like, I love the colors, the messaging, and even you see like the design elements are really cool. Like, they have a lot of artsy stuff happening on all the t-shirts and all the sweatshirts. So love this. Thank you. Up next, we have 2 bags from Nykaa. Okay, this is their Pinkfluence party, which is probably on or on around the time you're watching this. So look out on socials for it. They've sent me some products that they have offers on. Of course, there's the Relief Sun sunscreen from Beauty of Joseon, which is one of my favorites. I'm obsessed with this. I'm going to show it to you because I love this sunscreen. I am currently just going to finish my tube soon, so it's come just in time. Thank you, Nykaa. It's one of the best sunscreens out there, and it's just really light and works for most people, so I would definitely recommend this. And then we have a Nivea Oil Control Serum. I have not tried this, but yeah, I can't wait to try this. Thank you for this. Then we have this monstrous bag which came last month for Valentine's Day for their Pink Love sale. Okay, guys, like, I'm not even kidding. It is full of stuff. I'm not going to get into what all because there's a lot, and I know the sale is over now. But Nykaa, why do you spoil me so much? Thank you guys. This is insane. Up next, we have something interesting. Okay, this is John Jacobs into Squid Game. So I don't know what to expect, but let's see what we got. Oh my god, there's Squid Game merch in here, which is very exciting. Look at this. I'm going to put her somewhere here so you will keep seeing her. There's also a tote, which is quite cool. A t-shirt. This is very cool. And it's a large, so it's nice and oversized, just like I like them. And what do we have here? This is clearly the star item from the collection. Ooh, they're like green aviators, which is quite cool, I think. Like, I don't have anything in this color. What do you guys think? Thank you, guys. What do we have in here? Another brand that always spoils me, Hidesign. You guys are too kind. There is another fun t-shirt. This is, I think, from, they've actually launched their new collection, which is really cool. So this is for that. Cute today, got tomorrow. So yeah, I've seen it online. Love the collection. Love this. Thanks, guys. What's in here? It's really light. Ooh, we have something from G.P.O. I have to be very careful with these because if I lose them in this room, I will never find them. No confetti allowed. Oh, this is from Hanan. So you guys know all my pearl jewelry that I loved is from Hanan. And there's a really cute bag charm. Like, how adorable is this? And this is with their new lip nectar. This is interesting. I've actually been seeing this online and I've wanted to try this. Love the packaging, very clean, sleek. Yeah, I can't wait to actually try this and review it because you guys know I'm a full lip balm person and I live for lip balm. So this is quite interesting. Let me know if you guys want me to review this. Then we have something from the Ikat Story. Look at this. How cute is this? They had like a little pop-up and they sent like a little sewing kit, which is so cute. Like, I'm going to put this into my dressing table drawer. And there's a really cool Ikat tie. Like, I feel like this would be so cool with like a white shirt and jeans. Love it. Thank you. Then we have something from a brand I've loved. You guys know I've used KIRO products a lot in the past and I've loved their stuff. They actually have a van going across different locations in Mumbai, which is pretty cool, where you can get some of the products. A lot of new products that I haven't tried here, so I'm very excited to try these. Thank you guys. And last but not the least, we have a beautiful hamper, which was actually my invite to yesterday's event that I actually hosted. By the time this comes out, you've probably seen this on my social media and stuff. I was very excited to work with ITC. So I was a part of the Fiama moisturizing bar with Japanese Hokkaido milk launch yesterday, which was really exciting, and I hosted the whole event and did a bunch of videos and stuff for them. I have tried the product already because they had sent it to me earlier. It is really, really good, and you guys know I'm a soap girly that loves soap, so very excited with all my new soaps. You should check them out. So guys, those were all the packages that I had to unbox today. There were a lot. Thank you to everyone that sent me stuff. You know, I know some of these have been piling up since like Feb, because I was sick and then I was traveling again, and now I am traveling again. So you might see another unboxing video after this again, because all of them just pile up and I keep thinking I'll do an unboxing, and then I finally do an unboxing. So thank you everyone. I got some amazing things and I can't wait to try everything. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment below and tell me what your favorite parcel was, or what do you think my favorite parcel was. See you guys. Bye.